Hi everyone, and welcome to your second day this week of Core, your fourth video of the Live Well Challenge in the new year. Thank you so much for being here. We are going to start today in high plank. All right, bring it on down with me. Shoulders on top of your wrists, core is engaged. And I want you to very simply just kind of start to allow yourself to walk forward. Good, and then walk backwards. Easy, right? Walk forward. Good, and then walk backwards. Really challenge yourself here, okay? Walk forward. Strong. Walk backwards. Good. Now stay here in plank for 4, 3, 2, exhale, lower to your knees, and then all the way to the belly, okay? So we're going to get a little bit into the back muscles today. So I want you to start with bringing your fingertips to your temples. Forehead comes down. Ready? Lift. So if we do not strengthen the back of our body, the front of our body will not be able to hold itself up, right? So if we were to brush the front of our hair, what would the back look like, right? Same idea with your body. You just want to make sure that you're doing the frontal and posterior muscle groups, as well as the sides, lateral. And then really feel the effort. What's kicking in? Low back, glutes, maybe upper back. All of this is part of your core, all right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now extend your arms, okay? Forehead comes down. Ready, set. Lift your face and then the opposing sides. Lift, lift. So I'm lifting right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. And here's the deal. My legs are already pretty tired from going hiking. So for me, I already feel this a pretty strong amount just because I can tell where my body is weak. I can feel even my low back wanting to fatigue. And it's not a bad thing. It's just reminding my body that I need to treat the back of it just as strong as I treat the front, okay? 4, still part of your core. 3, 2, 1. All right, now ground your hands. Come on back to plank, all right? Back to that plank walk. We walk up, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4. Now, the biggest question people ask me when I do this is, do you bend your knees? Answer is no. Look at my knees. They're staying straight, okay? So you just got to walk the body forward. Good. Now walk it backward one more time. That's it. 4, 3, 2. Hold your plank for 5, 4, 3, 2. Drop your knees. Now, side plank with your knees up or down. It's up to you. Right knee down, right hand down, leg comes out. Meet me here. Otherwise, scissor your feet with me, left foot in front of right. Baby dips, 8, 7. They're baby so that we don't put too much on the shoulder, okay? 4, 3, 2. High plank, everybody, whether you are on your knee or not. Good. Now, drop your left knee or drop your feet. Raise your right arm. Baby dips, 8, 7. Baby meaning your momentum is 0, okay? And your distance of your dip is small. 3, 2, 1. Come back to high plank, hold. 4, 3, 2. Drop the knees, lower all the way down. All right. Extend the arms again. This time, lift arms and legs. Squeeze the back muscles. Reach, lower. Lift, squeeze, reach. 2. Lift, squeeze, reach. 3. Lift, squeeze. 4. Good. Up. Squeeze. Really feel your back. Last exercise, I promise. on our stomach today. You can do this, okay? Lift, squeeze. Good. Lift, squeeze. One more rep. Come up, squeeze the back. Now pulse it here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, high plank. Ready? Tuck the toes, push up. Back to the right hand. Drop the right knee if you need to. Left arm up. Dip. 8, 7. Do not do dips if it hurts your wrist or shoulder, or maybe drop your knee. 4, 3, 2. Everybody high plank, even if your knee was down, hold it. Drop the feet left. Good. Raise your right arm up. Okay, dip. 8, 7. Make it small. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. 1. High plank. Hold. 4, 3, 2. Drop your knees. Beautiful. Quick flip onto your back. We're going to finish it right here, so bring your knees in tightly. Good. Exhale. I want you to take your hands behind your head. 3 count bicycles. So you're going right with your left elbow. Right elbow touches right. Right with your left elbow. Now switch. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Twist. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Good. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Hug it in. Good. Little rock side to side. Now extend your legs. Put your hands underneath your booty, okay? Exhale, shoulders down. All right, lower down. Pick up your head. Raise your legs. Drop your head. You've done these ones before. Lower your legs, ultra slow, slow. Pick up your head. Look at your toes. Drop your head. Lift your legs. Good. 2 more. Lower your legs. Pick up the head. Look at your toes. Good. Lift your toes. Drop your head. Again, lower your legs. Pick up your gaze. Look forward. 4, 3. Pull your belly in and down. 2. Head comes down. Legs come up slow. Good. Bend your knees. All right. Single count bicycles. You're almost done. Here we go. 10, 9. Side to side. 8. This is it. 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. 1 each side. Right here. 1, 1. Done. Awesome job, guys. Way to work hard today. Definitely a challenging workout. Join me for yoga on Friday, and then I'll see you next week for week 3.